Okay, this is the Worx. It says, "It's your nature." Pretty cool. Let's open it up and take a look at it. All right, there's a quick directions there. Quick start guide, leaf mulcher. Okay, so we got the little nib there. Just push that into there, pretty cool. Whoa, be careful. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. I didn't see that in the directions. Don't make the same mistake I did. Well, I guess we'll do a durability test. How durable is this thing? So it looks like this thing goes here. No, it goes like this. All right, so that goes like that. But it says first you put a bag in there. Alright, so that's really the tricky part, is figuring out what direction to put it, but it does have writing on it, and it's wider on the bottom than it is on the top. So the directions didn't tell you that it's upside down and it's all going to fall apart, although it might if there's words there. I didn't read them. Basically, it's a weed eater in here, and it's got some weed eater twine, and it came with some extra pieces here, so it looks like it's relatively simple and easy to change. Just loop it through here, and then it came with a couple extra feet. Okay, it looks like the power button is right down here. I have this tub of leaves. We'll go ahead and put it in the Worx and see if it mulches them down. Okay, well, how did it do? Not too bad. I mean, if nothing else, I got everything that was in that bucket into this one bag down here, so that's not too bad. How fine is it? Well, some of it just fell through. Some of it just fell through here, and then others got more pulverized. So one bag's a little too early to tell, but so far so good. I'm happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and test out the Worx by cleaning up this mess underneath my tree. If you want to get some more information on the Worx or you want to test it out for yourself, I'll put the affiliate link in the description below. If you're not sure about the Worx and you're on the fence, you can check back in a couple weeks and I'll let you know how it worked out for me in my yard. Alright, thanks for watching.